Number 15, University Question Paper Artificial Intelligence Part A. Define AI. AI or artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence process by machines, especially computer system. This process include learning, reasoning and self-correction. Some of the application AI include expert systems, speech recognition and machine vision. List of AI languages. Python is considered to be in the first place in the list of AI development languages due to the simplicity. Or LISP, Prolog, Java. How does we define a problem in AI? A problem can be regarded as a difference between the actual situation and the desired situation. This means that in order to identify a problem, the team must know where it is meant to be and have a clear understanding or where it currently is in relation to the perceived problem. What is declarative knowledge? Declarative knowledge refers to facts or information stored in the memory that is considered static in nature. Declarative knowledge also referred to as a conceptual, propositional or descriptive knowledge. Describe things, events or process, their attributes and the relation to each other. What is a program? A set of instructions that is given from you to your computer so that the computer can perform particular task in a program. There are two categories of program: application program, usually called just application, or program that people use to get their work done. Computer exists because people want to run this program. System program keep the hardware and software running program together smoothly. Define procedural representation: the representation of certain concept in a computer by procedure or program in some appropriate language rather than by static data items such as number or list. Define frame problem. In artificial intelligence, the frame problem describes an issue with using first order logic to express fact about robot in the world. The frame problem is the problem of finding adequate collection of axiom for a variable description of a robot environment. What is called planning? The planning in artificial intelligence is about the decision making task performed by the robots or computer program to achieve a specific goal. The execution of planning is about closing a sequence of action with high likelihood to complete the specific task. Define learning. From a conceptual standpoint, learning is a process that improves the knowledge of an AI program by making observation about its environment. Most of the artificial intelligence basic literature identify two main groups of learning models: supervised and unsupervised. What is a knowledge acquisition? Knowledge acquisition is the process of extracting, structure and organizing knowledge from one source, usually human experts, so it can be used in software such as an ES. Define perception is a process of acquiring, interpreting, selecting and organizing sensory information. AI is a study and perception is mostly focused on the reproduction of human perception, especially on the perception of actual and visual signals. How do you feed input to robot? There are many options. Most inputs would come from sensors. For example, pixels of camera images, distances to surroundings, sound waves to detect voice commands, but also messages sent by people to control or guide the robot. Outputs can be motor torques, switching its lights on or off, sending messages and so on. Part B, write short notes on AI problems. AI is developing with such an incredible speed. Sometimes it seems magical. There is an opinion among researchers and developers that AI could grow to immensely strong that it would be difficult for humans to control. Threat to privacy. An AI program that recognizes speech and understands natural language is theoretically capable of understanding each conversation on emails and telephone. Threat to human dignity. AI systems have already started replacing the human beings in few industries. It should not replace people in the sectors where they are holding dignified position which are pertaining to ethics, such as nursing, surgeon, judge, police officer, etc. Threat to safety. The self-improving AI system can become so mighty than humans that could be very difficult to stop from achieving their goals, which may lead to unintended consequences. 14th question. How do you build a system to solve a problem? Problem representation in AI. Before a solution can be found, the prime condition is that the problem must be very precisely defined. By defining it properly, one converts the abstract problem into real workable states that are really understood. State representation, a set of all possible states for a given problem, is known as the state space of the problem. Suppose you are asked to make a cup of coffee. What will you do? You will verify whether the necessary ingredients like instant coffee powder, Milk powder, sugar kettle, stove, etc. are available. Boil necessary water in the kettle. Take some of the boiled water in a cup. Add necessary amount of instant coffee powder to make decoction and milk powder to the remaining boiling water to make milk. Mix decoction and milk. Add sufficient quantity of sugar to your taste and coffee is ready. Problem reduction. In this method, a complex problem is broken down or decomposed into a set of primitive subproblems. Solution of these primitive subproblems are easily obtained. The solution for all the subproblems collectively give the solution for the complex problem. In fact, the human mind adopts this strategy for finding solution to majority of problems it encounters. What are the various properties of the representation of a good system? Knowledge representation in AI. Describe the representation of knowledge. Basically, it is a study how the belief, intention and judgments of an intelligent agent can be expressed suitably for automated reasoning. One of the primary purposes of knowledge representation includes modeling intelligent behavior for an agent. Knowledge representation and reasoning represent information from the real world for a computer to understand and then utilize this knowledge to solve complex real life problems like communicating with human beings in natural language. Knowledge representation in AI is not just about storing data in the database. It allows a machine to learn from that knowledge, behave intelligently like a human being. The different kinds of knowledge that needs to represented in AI include objects, events, performance, facts, meta knowledge, knowledge base. Different types of knowledge: declarative knowledge, structural knowledge, procedural knowledge, meta knowledge, heuristic language. Declarative knowledge, it includes concepts, facts and the objects and expressed in a declarative sentence. Structural knowledge, it is a basic problem solving knowledge that describes the relationship between concepts and objects. Procedural language, that is responsible for knowing how to something, includes rules, strategies, procedures, etc. Meta language define knowledge about other types of knowledge. Heuristic knowledge, that represents some expert knowledge in the field or subject. 16th question, explain the various kinds of information that can play a role in reasoning. Reasoning in the mental process of deriving logical conclusion and making predictions from the available knowledge, facts and beliefs. Types of reasoning: deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning, abductive reasoning, common sense reasoning, monotonic reasoning, non-monotonic reasoning. Deductive reasoning is a type of propositional logic in AI and it requires various rules and facts. It is sometimes referred to as a top-down reasoning and contradictory to inductive reasoning. Example: all human eats veggies. Suresh is human. Conclusion: Suresh eats veggies. The general process of deductive reasoning is given below: theory, hypothesis, patterns, confirmation. Inductive reasoning is a type of propositional logic which is also known as cause-effect reasoning or bottom-up reasoning. Example: premise, all of the pigeons we have seen in the zoo are white. Conclusion: therefore we can expect all the pigeons to be white. Observation, patterns, hypothesis, theory. Abductive reasoning is the extension of deductive reasoning, but in abductive reasoning the premises do not guarantee the conclusion. Example: implication, cricket ground is wet if it is raining. Axiom: cricket ground is wet. Conclusion: it is raining. Common sense reasoning is an informal form of reasoning which can be gained through experiences. Example: one person can be at one place at a time. If I put my hand in a fire, then it will burn. The above two statements are example of common sense reasoning which in a human mind can be easily understood and assumed. Monotonic reasoning: to solve we can derive the valid conclusion from the available facts only and it will not be affected by the new facts. Example: earth revolves around the sun. It is true fact that it cannot be changed even if we add another sentence knowledge base like the moon revolves around the earth or earth is not round, etc. Advantages of monotonic reasoning: each old proof will always remain valid. If we deduce some facts from available facts, then it will remain valid for always. Disadvantages: we cannot represent the real world scenarios using monotonic reasoning. Non-monotonic reasoning deals with incomplete and uncertain models. Example: let's suppose the knowledge base contains the following knowledge: birds can fly, penguins cannot fly, pity is a bird. So advantages of non-monotonic reasoning: for real world systems such as robot navigation, we can use non-monotonic reasoning. Disadvantages: it cannot be used for theorem proving. 17th question, what are the various components of a planning system? The planning of the artificial intelligence is about the decision making task performed by the robots or computer programs to achieve a specific goal. Components of planning system: choose the best rule for applying the next rule based on the best available heuristics. Apply the chosen rule for computing the new problem state. Detect when a solution has been found. Detect dead ends so that can be easily abandoned and the system effort is directed more fruitful directions. Non-linear planning: the planning is used to set a goal stack and is included in the search space of all possible sub-goal orderings. It handles a goal interaction by interleaving method. Advantages of non-linear planning: non-linear planning may be optional solution with respect to plan length. Disadvantages: it takes larger search space since all possible goal ordering are taken to an consideration. Explain vision. Computer vision in artificial intelligence follow three consecutive processes which execute one after another: image acquisition, image processing, image analysis and understanding. Image acquisition translates the analog images into digital images, which means it transforms normal image into binary data. Different tools like webcams, embedded cameras, digital compact cameras, laser range finders, etc. are used to build such data sets. Image processing: edge detection, segmentation, classification, feature detection and matching. Image analysis and understanding: 3D scene mapping, object recognition, object tracking. Part C: explain the following. Simple hill climbing, steepest ascent hill climbing. Hill climbing algorithm is a local search algorithm which continuously moves in the direction of increasing elevation value to find the peak on the mountain or best solution to the problem. It terminates when it reaches a peak value where no neighbor has a higher value. A node of hill climbing algorithm has two components which are state and a value. Hill climbing is most used when a good heuristic is available. Features of hill climbing: generate and test variant, greedy approach, no backtracking. Types of hill climbing algorithms: simple hill climbing, steepest ascent hill climbing, stochastic hill climbing. Simple hill climbing is the simplest way to implement a hill climbing algorithm. Less time consuming, less optimal solution, and the solution is not guaranteed. Steepest ascent hill climbing. The steepest ascent algorithm is a variation of the simple hill climbing algorithm. This algorithm examines all the neighboring nodes of the current state and select one neighbor node which is closest to the goal state. Stochastic hill climbing does not examine for all its neighbor before moving. Rather, its search algorithm select one neighbor node at random and decide whether to choose as its current state or examine another state. Discuss on the forward versus backward reasoning. In an artificial intelligence, the purpose of the search is to find the path through a problem space. There are two ways to pursue such a tree: forward and backward reasoning. Comparison chart. Definition, key differences, conclusion. Basic of comparison: basic, data driven, goal driven. Begins with new data, uncertain conclusion. Objectives is to find the conclusion that must follow, facts to support the conclusion. Types of approach: opportunistic, conservative, flow, incipient to consequence to incipient. Definition of forward reasoning: the solution of a problem generally includes the initial data and facts in order to arrive at the solution. This unknown facts and information